YouTube. Okay. We're on Roblox.com. Woo. Okay, so first of all, this is what happens when you're on a high building on a chair. This is what happens. Look how big it is. LOL. Let's see. I know, if you guys can't see it, it's my first video. I'm gonna get a new cam sooner or later. Die, you zombies! I know, I got so many presents from Santa. So funny. Die! Now watch me make another new. I'm just throwing chairs. This is so crazy. Oh my gosh, something's on top of me. I hate chairs! Let me go to the delete button. I might get off in a minute, because this is like my first video, I've never done it before. Yeah, this is Roblox, this is me, I know, I look like a noob. And this is my friend, Reese, stop moving. Reese, she's cool and stuff. Best friend, here are some houses. I'm in a playroom. I'm probably a Lego or something, I don't know. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna get off because this is like my first video and I never ever done it before. So this is like my first video. So I'll be checking in with everyone once in a while. Please don't put any bad comments because I really try and stuff, you know. I'm just going to tell you how I feel about it. Okay, well, here's Roblox. You should really join it. It's kind of fun and everything. Oh, and I should probably go because I mean, like, you guys probably have better videos to do. And you know what I mean. Okay, bye Robloxios. Oh, and if you play Static Hotel, my username is File. Just saying, because I know a lot of people who know YouTube a lot. Okay, bye Static Hotel, sorry, bye YouTube.